So in this folder, we have downloaded around 35 research papers, you can see. So for analysis, the very first thing that we need to do is to make a corpus of all the articles we have downloaded. To create a corpus of these papers, go to the Google and type Sketch Engine. Here, you can see. Click on the very first website here. Click on the login. If you already have an account, so here you can see I have already created my Sketch Engine account and my password is auto-saved. So click login. So here you can see the tabs, basics, advanced, my corpora, and shared with me. So click here on my corpora because you need to create your own corpus for the analysis. Click here, new corpus, and type the name of your corpus that you want to create. Like here, I am typing meta-analysis corpus. And in description, you can write, I am creating a corpus for meta-analysis. And here, if your corpus is of single language, so check this button. If your corpus is more than of one language, so click this button here. So my corpus is only of English corpus. So here you can write the description of your corpus, like creating a corpus for meta-analysis. So this description and the name you have given has nothing to do with the Sketch Engine. It is just for you to remember that for what purpose you have created a corpus and what is the name of your corpus that you have created. So here in this box, Sketch Engine actually is telling you that what analysis you can perform with your created corpus. So just click on the next. So here you can see the two boxes here. First is find text on the web. So if you want to grab the text through any website, just provide the link of the website. Sketch Engine grabs the data for your corpus creation. So here I have my own files in my computer. So definitely I will click here. I have my own text. Click here and now click here on the choose a file. It will take you inside of your computer and go to the place where you have saved your files. Click on the folder and I will select all the files at once. I'll press Ctrl+A to select all the files and click on the open. So here you can see the Sketch Engine is telling you that your files are uploading and you can see the percentage of your uploaded files. Here you can see all the research papers have uploaded and the total number of words in all the research papers are 258,752. So click on the next, and to compile a corpus, just click on the compile. So the compiling has started. So here you can see my corpus has compiled. So here you can see on the search bar the same name that I have given when I was creating my corpus. So this is my corpus, meta-analysis corpus.